What's good, y'all? KJ here with the Urban Fruit Forest, and I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite ways to root dragon fruit. So right here, we got two of the same variety, Sour Patch Kids, my favorite variety of dragon fruit. I'm going to take one of these cuttings, then I'm going to root them in water. That's one of the first ways I started to root dragon fruit. And I'm going to take the second cutting, and I'm going to just go ahead and stick it into some soil. That's the way I usually do it now. But I know some of you guys who are just now starting, or you just like to see the roots get going before you even get it started in the ground. We're gonna start the water method, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with soil, and we're gonna see which one goes the fastest. Before we tap into the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and follow us on all our social media platforms. Those will be down below in the description. Let's do this. This right here is the water method. You could take any glass, jar, vase, anything you want to use. With this water method, you're going to want to make sure, well, with both methods, you're going to want to make sure you trim off the bottom of the dragon fruit to expose the cambium layer. This right here is going to help you prevent any rotting on this. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and fill this up with a little bit of water. You're going to want to fill it up just so that let's stop this. You're going to want to fill it up just so it barely touches the bottom of the dragon fruit flesh. So you mainly want that cambium layer in water. So now with this, you can leave it inside your house to keep rooted. I have a nice little shaded area that I'm going to put this in. I highly advise when rooting dragon fruit that you most definitely stick them in the shade. So you're going to want to make sure you have this in the shade. This is my nice little shaded area. I'm going to just go ahead and stick this right here next to my sweet potato slips that actually have rooted. So I need to get y'all pot. All right, now let's go stick the other one in the dirt. All right, now time for the cutting that we are going to start in soil. I have this little area over here with some plastic tubs. I have probably about, well, this is more than an inch, but this is the main one I'm talking about, with about an inch of soil that I'm going to go ahead and stick this in. It's already labeled, so I won't get it confused. I'm gonna just go ahead and stick it in some soil right here, and we're gonna revisit this. Oh, let me get it. Let's move it right here so I don't want it growing into that pink panther. Let's get it right here. We're gonna revisit this in a few days, see if we got some root. If you look right here, we already got a few that got took off. But if you don't have a bin or anything like this to get soil in, I can show you guys. I also root dragon fruits in pots. You don't have to do anything special. Where are you at? Oh, right here. This is a Sour Patch Kids. Another Sour Patch Kids, actually. Wow. I just took this cutting and threw it in this pot of soil, and as you can see, it has fully rooted. I actually need to get its own trellis, but yeah. So now we got this in soil. We're gonna revisit this and see what roots the fastest. All right, so 8 days later, I went ahead, came in, changed the water. Still no roots, as you can see. I already went ahead and got the water changed. Make sure you guys are changing your water out periodically when it gets dirty. Now let's go check out the one we put in the soil. All right, now we got the Sour Patch Kids that we set in the soil. And look at that. We already got roots on it. Let's focus that. You guys see the roots right there. That's in 8 days. So it took 8 days for the cutting in soil to start rooting. As you can see, the one in soil rooted faster than the one in water. So we will revisit this in a few more days. It'll gain more roots, and then we'll just wait for the one in water to get roots. So I went ahead and got the water changed out already. And as you can see, this one has started to root. This one has started to root, and not only has started to root, but as you can see right here, it actually started to push out new growth. So this, I'm not gonna say this one put out new growth first, because I ain't checked the one in the dirt yet, but it has started to root. You see a little bit of roots, and as you can see, we have a new shoot, and this is the one that we started in water. Now, ignore the gloves. Let's check the one that we started in soil. This one right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, This one has roots. Yeah, this one has roots. So as you can see, this is blew up with new roots, but looking at this, there's no new growth on it yet. So this one was the first to root, but you was not the first to shoot. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you back. All right, so we are back after a few days, and as you can see, the one in water is getting a nice set of roots. Super nice set of roots. New growth still going on it. So this is showing up really nice for this. So this is for my people who like to root in water. Benefits that you can see the roots showing. I'm going to get you in a pot shortly. Let's check the one in soil. I best believe the one in soil has blown up, dude. Let's check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one in soil has blown up. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get these set up in pots. Let them get a nice little root base, and we should be good to go. There you go. Those are the 2 ways I go about propagating dragon fruit cuttings. One being in soil, like this one I have right here. The other one being in water. As you can see, in this specific situation, the one in soil did root faster than the one in water. One of the benefits I like about rooting them in water, though, is that you're able to see the root grow. It's pretty fun. It's new. If you're new to it, it's fun. You can see the roots grow. That's something I really did when I first got into it. But now I just get cuttings, stick them in soil, let them blow up with some roots, and it also makes the transition period easier when you have to get them to their forever home because they're starting off in soil opposed to in water. So if you guys like what you saw, go ahead and like, comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on all our social media platforms. I will catch you guys on the next one. Got to get out this rain.